They want you to think it's complicated, that you need complex algorithms, split-second timing, and a PhD in economics to build real wealth. Wall Street has spent billions building a cathedral of complexity designed to do one thing: make you feel like you need them. But what if the single greatest investor in history built his entire fortune on a system so simple a child could understand it? He doesn't have a crystal ball. He has a rule book, an elegantly simple 5-point system that he has run without fail for over 60 years. Forget the noise. These are the only 5 rules you will ever need. The 5-rule operating system. Rule number 1: never play a game you don't understand. Buffett famously sidestepped the entire dot-com bubble. Why? Because he couldn't explain how those companies made money. His rule is absolute. If you can't write down on a single piece of paper how a business creates value for its customers, you have no business owning it. This single rule protects you from hype, trends, and the catastrophic losses that follow them. Your ignorance is not a disadvantage, it's a guardrail. Rule number 2: the price and the value are not the same thing. This is the bedrock of his entire philosophy. The stock price is just a number flashing on a screen. It's the market's mood. The value is the real, intrinsic worth of the business behind that number. Most people confuse the two. Buffett waits patiently until the market, in a moment of panic or pessimism, offers him a wonderful business for a price that is far less than its actual value. He's not a stock picker. He's a bargain hunter for world-class companies. Rule number 3: the market is your servant, not your guide. Buffett's mentor, Benjamin Graham, imagined the market as a moody business partner named Mr. Market. Some days he's euphoric and offers to buy your shares at ridiculous prices. Other days, he's depressed and offers to sell you his shares for pennies on the dollar. The fatal mistake is letting his mood dictate your actions. Buffett uses Mr. Market's moods to his advantage. When the market is terrified, he gets greedy. When the market is euphoric, he gets cautious. He never asks the market for advice. Rule number 4: your best move is almost always no move at all. In a world that celebrates action, Buffett is a master of profitable inactivity. He says, our favorite holding period is forever. He understands that constant buying and selling is a loser's game, eaten away by fees, taxes, and bad decisions. Your portfolio is like a bar of soap. The more you handle it, the smaller it gets. Buy the right companies, and then have the discipline to let them do the hard work for you over decades. Rule number 5: the first rule is the only rule. We end where Buffett begins. His first rule is never lose money, and the second is never forget rule number 1. This isn't about never having a stock go down. It's a mindset focused entirely on avoiding permanent, catastrophic loss. Every other rule on this list, understanding the business, paying the right price, being patient, is simply a defense mechanism to ensure this one, primary directive, is never broken. Schrecker's offense wins games, but defense wins championships. Schrecker's, you see, these aren't 5 separate tips. They are a fortress, a complete interlocking system designed to protect you from the single biggest threat to your financial success: your own emotional impulses. The system is simple, but it's not easy. It requires patience and discipline in a world that rewards neither. So I have a question for you. Of these 5 rules, which one is the hardest for you to follow? I want to know. Drop it in the comments below. And if you found value in this clarity, subscribe and share this video. Someone you know is probably lost in the noise and needs to hear this. Stop listening to the noise. Stop playing their complicated game. Wealth isn't found in the complicated answers. It's forged in the simple rules you refuse to break.